Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default email account in Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. This is useful when you have multiple email accounts and want Thunderbird to use a specific account for new messages. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and go to the Account Settings area. You should see a list of all the email accounts currently connected to the application. Look for the option that allows you to select the default account. Choose the email account that you want Thunderbird to use as the primary account. After selecting the account, save or close the settings. Thunderbird should now use that account as the default when creating new messages or handling certain email actions. To confirm the change, open a new message window. Check the sender or from field and make sure the correct email account is selected. If Thunderbird still uses another account, return to the account settings and confirm that the account you selected is set as the default. You can also manually choose a different account when composing individual messages. This is useful when you want to send emails from another connected address. And that's how to change the default email account in Mozilla Thunderbird. Setting the correct default account can make managing multiple email addresses much easier and help prevent messages from being sent from the wrong account. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.